Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the shortcut keys on your keyboard to make capital and small letters in your Microsoft Word document just by using the keys on your keyboard, and you can turn a single word, a single phrase, or a paragraph into capital letters or small letters. So I have here a document in my Microsoft Word, and there are some phrases right here, phrases, words, clauses that I want to change into capital letter and I want to change into small letter without using the tabs right here and without using the right click. Now let's start for it. If I highlight Cinderella, obviously this will appear, but I'm not going to use that, and I'm not also going to use the home tab right here to make it into capital letter or to make it into small letter. So what can we do? Just simply highlight the word that you want to make into capital or small letter. So once you have highlighted the word, look at your keyboard and then press Shift key and F3 together. Again, it's Shift key plus F3. Press that. So Cinderella is now in capital letter C, Cinderella. And now let's highlight it again. Press Shift key and F3. This will all turn into capital letters. Now, if I'm also going to make this into small letter, I'm just going to leave the letter C as the capital letter, and I'm going to make the Cinderella into small letter. You need to highlight the word first and press Shift plus F3. Now they are in small letters. So for both capital letters and small letter, you're just going to press Shift plus F3 keys on your keyboard. Now I'm going to make this folktale into capital letters. So I'm going to press Shift key and F3 together. And now they are in capital letters, the letter F and the letter T. Now I want to make this Greek word into all capital letters, like the GREE key. These are all in capital letters. Press Shift key and F3 together. And now they are all in capital letters. And also the European, I'm going to make this sentence. The first literary European version of the story was published in Italy by Giambattista Basile in his Pentameron in 1634. The version that is now most well known in the English-speaking world was published in French by Charles Perrault in his Tours au Contes de Temps Passé on 1697 as Cinderella and was anglicized as Cinderella. Now I'm going to highlight this whole sentence and I'm going to press Shift and F3 together. Now they're all in capital letters. And if you want to make a certain word right here into small letters, like this in, I'm just going to press again Shift and F3 keys. So you are just going to use your keyboard Shift key and F3 together so that you can turn a certain word, a certain phrase, a certain clause, or a certain paragraph in a Microsoft Word into capital or small letters. Again, let me type it here. It's Shift plus F3. So let's highlight this and press Shift and F3 together. So these are the keys that you're going to use so that you can change a certain word, phrase, or clause into all capital letters or small letter. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.